Hi again. I'm very behind in doing my videos, so I'm doing a bunch today. I received my last block 12. Oh, I'm sorry, it's still month 11. I thought it was the last one. So second to the last 2018 Designer Mystery Block of the Month. So this is what it looks like this month. It's Block 11 is Family Traditions, designed by Corey Yoder of Coriander Quilts. So again, it has, this is the main fabric for every single block, and that's the focal point in the middle, the center square of every block. And this is the background of every block, you could tell. And the accents always change, but it's fairly the same color family. So this is it, and I have not finished all of them, but I am excited to finish it. And I like that it's, I do like the patterns a lot. So here you go, just a quick little video to show you this one, Block 11. Thanks for watching. Bye.